Hello friends, today I am going to teach you designer neck with band collar. The measurement is like this. Neck round is 15 inch. For neck width, divide neck round by 6, that is 15 divided by 6 is equal to 2.5 inch. Neck length for band is 2.5 inch plus 0.5 inch is equal to 3 inch. We do the same on all band necks. Total neck length is 7 inch. Neck width for lower neck is 1.5 inch. We don't take back neck length as it is standing designer collar. After doing cutting according to the measurement, now first at top mark a bit less than neck widthwise, that is 2.25 inch. And then take length, that is 3 inch, and make a box. Now do front neck curving in this box. After that, do cutting of it. After cutting of front neck, now we make design below it, which will be made on fusion paper. For this, fold fusion paper equal to half of bottom neck width plus 1 inch, that is 1.5 divided by 2 is 0.75 inch plus 1 inch is equal to 1.75 inch. And in length, take total length minus round neck length plus 1 inch for sewing seam, that is 7 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 inch. Cross mark it with 0.75 inch, make a box and do curving. And mark boundary alongside it, minding 1 inch gap, and do the curving too. Now cut the inner and outer line. After that, we do a slant shape of near about half inch from inner neck to outer neck. This is our round shape neck, and now we attach it on the fabric. After pinning up on fabric, now we do the sewing on the inner side of it and then fold it from the boundary and we do sewing. After doing this, I'll proceed further. After stitching, now mark a line at the center of it and then come to the front piece and make its center too. And place the designer neck with front part of kurti matching right to right and center to center and pin up it. And then sew alongside the designer pattern. After that, cut the middle portion mark small cuts and then fold it to the wrong side. After completing this neck portion, now we join shoulders of front and back pieces. Sewing is done starting from the armhole region till the neck portion. After joining these shoulders, I will teach you how to make band neck. Now for making band, measure the neck round from one corner till the other like this. It comes near about 15 inch, and after that take fusion belt roll and mark 15 inch on it and then cut it. After that fold it like this and take band neck collar length near about 1.25 inch. And from open part do curving like this. And now cut the extra bukram or fusion belt roll. This is our straight band collar, and now we paste it on fabric. After that I'll proceed further. After pasting, take half inch margin alongside the band collar and then cut it. Now cut the fabric pieces of same measurement as this. After that match it right to right and do sewing alongside the bukram and it remains open from the base. After stitching, mark small cuts and then fold it to the right side. Keep in mind that our stitching doesn't get cut. After folding, now we fold the extra fabric from the end like this. And place it on one end and then sew it alongside the neck round. This I already taught you in my previous band neck videos. After completing this, I'll upload an image of it. If you like my video, then hit like button, and if you are new here, then subscribe for more such videos. In the next video, I'll teach you a new cutting or a new stitching in a simple way. Thank you.